Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to find the sound and vibration section. Let's enter. Here we've got highlighted sounds for the notifications, ringtones and the alarms. So let me show you how to change the sound using the ringtone. Let me tap on it. And here we will be transferred to this section with not only local and pre-installed ringtones, as you can see we've got them here, but also some ringtones from kind of the internet. So the themes app, which is provided by the Xiaomi. So of course you can pick something from those options. Here we've got a lot of nice options to choose from. But before I will pick something from those, I'd like to describe the local ringtone and the pre-installed ringtones. Just a quick explanation. If you will pick the choose local ringtone, then your device will simply open your own file. So if you will have anything, of course you have to tap on allow. If you will have anything, for example, downloaded or recorded even, then you can find it and your device will simply use it as a ringtone, of course, if you've got any compatible files. In the pre-installed ringtones, we've got actually the ringtones which are usually normally installed on the device. As you can see here, we've got standard Xiaomi ringtones. So of course you can pick something from those options. And what's more, right here we've got an option don't set ringtone, which simply means that your device will not use any kind of sound, any kind of any kind of ringtone to notify about the incoming call. So that's quite important. But let me go back and pick something from those ringtones. As you can see, we've got also the categories here. Sorry, I misclick. New top categories and some kind of selected. So if you like one and just tap on the heart, then it will appear in this category. Alright, so let me pick maybe something from the Savannah. Spotted hyena looks interesting. I'm not really sure if I want to set it. Alright, so maybe not the savannah, maybe rainforest. But also here we've got some kind of like animal sound. So alright, I will pick something from maybe fashion. Can it be? Alright, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sound, I know that I've just shown you by using the spotted hyena, but all you have to do is to simply tap on it and listen if you actually like it. So let's pretend that I like this one and I want to set it. So all you have to do is to tap on this kind of a ringtone icon, like a ring icon, and confirm it, tap on OK. Of course, your device will have to download it as it is not in your device's memory. And after getting back to this section, so the previous section, the default section kind of, we've got it notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.